So this is Botswana, and I'm seeing 5 objects in the sky, all with movement. I don't know what they are. I mean, if they're like planets, were they supposed to be aligned somewhere? Just throwing it out there. I really don't know. But they have movement. Yes, they do. I'm going to stop the video and wait a little while and see what happens. Alright, so we're a little ahead and the line isn't straight anymore. So something's turning somewhere and they're changing position. Or I really don't know. It makes me want to wait again. So I'm going to turn it off and wait again instead of sitting through the whole thing. So I'll be back. Okay, this is what I'm getting here. But check the color of it out. That's that one thing that's been being caught. I don't know what else it can be. Someone just got this on video today. Who was it? I'm not sure. Look at the color. Oh, there's 2 things in it. 2 dots in it. Okay, that's as close as I can get. What's that? Okay, so there were what, 5 of them? So the bottom was there, and that. Okay, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna wait a little longer. That's amazing. This is quite a video. I'll be back. Now there's sometimes 3 things. I wonder if they all moved in together. If that makes any sense. I don't know. Okay. Okay, this is where we're at now. So give me 1 second to get in there. So now there's more. Okay, so maybe the others were kind of. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 1 missing. I want to get into that one. So that's almost as close as I can get. This is really bizarre. Whatever that is bizarre. What is going on? And there's 1 there. So they can cloak. I bet you that's what it is. They can cloak. And look at, we've got probably just the right combination of stuff in the air for it. 3 and then 1 up there. So there's still 1 missing. Okay. Now we've got a flashing sun. And it's flashing. You can see it flashing in the water, flickering. want to get up into this real quick. This is what's got me fascinated. Very fascinating. Just want to take another look at it with the color changing in the sky. Did you see that? Okay. Somebody showed this today. It is something. I just don't remember what it is. Okay. Just wanted to take a really up close look at it. Some strange things going on. Very strange things. And what's that? That's another one with another ray. That ray's going up and down from that object. What? Alright, I'm going to have to stop this so we don't run out of video. I want to see if that comes into screen. And look at this. Those two are almost touching now. And that's kind of invisible, and that's there, but the fifth one's gone. Okay, this isn't coming into screen, but that's a separate simulator? And that's its own? Wow. Okay, this is a strange one. Sorry the video is going to be so long, but my goodness. So the only place that can come straight up and that's straight up and down. Haha. It's just getting weirder. I'm way into that. Now what's that? Oh my goodness. Let's see how close that thing is to that. They're almost touching. Unless an illusion. No, they're close. They weren't that close earlier. What do you guys think of this? Look at the color of that. Who showed that? Was it WSO, maybe? I don't remember. Alright. Let me go to the other side. Now, all that sun and simulator is going straight up and down here. That's separate. Totally separate. And it has its own. Look. It's got its own thing going on. Look. Now, I've never seen two objects simulated throwing off their own things before. Never. Never, never, never. What is going on? Alright, I'm going to stop it and see what happened. Alright, this is what happened. I waited, and that's where we're at now. Alright. So now we're going to go in. I just want to take a look at that object up there. I've been waiting. So you can see the shadow at the top too, and then you can see the other three. Well, three are like two stand out. Alright. I just want to get in on that one. That one, okay, so it's 5 objects for real. All together. But this one is very interesting. I cannot remember who showed that. WSO maybe? I don't know if it was Jeff P. I don't remember. It could have been Dr. Claudia Evers. Or Albers, rather. Could have been her. But the one over here is gone. That's fascinating. I don't have much time, so I'm going to starting and stopping the video. Alright, I got back in close. This is my point of interest. Okay. I'm going to wait a few minutes and see what happens. Okay. Peter now. And that's still there. And the shadow of the others are still there. Okay, I'm going to wait a few more minutes now. Got to do it in sections or we're not out of time. Okay, it's still there. I'm going to pan back and show you the whole screen. It's almost down. So when the sun goes down, it cloaks, it goes away. This is getting pinker. Yeah. So, alright, well, that's the gist of everything. Oh, there we go. Shadow. Okay, I'm going to end this video. But, oh, look at these. Something shooting across the horizon. And there's it.